Alright, here we go with another unboxing, and this one here is the Mini Handy Steamer. Love life, love yourself. This model is the FL5580, sorry. It's supposed to have strong steam, mini portability, one machine, multi-purpose, high temperature sterilization. Congratulations card. Instruction manual, a nice carrying bag, cup measure. This one is just a brush head, and this one's kind of get lint head. And here goes the steamer. You can see this is a nice size here. It's not too big. You just put water into here. Drops of water tank was left by testing. Please do not mind. So I guess what they're saying is you might see some water in this, and it's just them doing quality tests to make sure the item works before they ship it, which is a good thing, right? See, so you can put your brush heads on. Okay, this way or that way. Okay. Okay, well that didn't stick too well. Oh, sorry, I may have to get this sticker off first. Hot, do not touch surface, high temperature. Okay. Maybe I should have stuck that sticker. Okay. Huh. That's what I get for not reading the instructions. Oh, okay. I get it now. So the hook's down here. See, it hooks down here. And it plugs into this front right here. See, there's a little front. I was thinking there was another tab up here, but I was wrong. So this stays here, so you know it's hot temperature. Do not touch. Alright, these are just screw covers here. It's good size. Should not be enough water. So I just use the small drinking water bottles and just pour the extra water, into here. My kids always, drink half or a little bit less than half of a water bottle. You always have a lot of leftover water bottles, and well, I save those instead of just pouring it down the sink. Because you don't want them to drink old water, right? So I save those water bottles and I use those and pour it into my iron and stuff like that. So it's less of that calcium in the water that has that white buildup. All right. So I hope you liked this unboxing. I hope you liked the free tip. And again, this is the Mini Handy Steamer model FL5580. All right, I'll leave it there.